Hello my dear friends, welcome to Instant Out Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha. Today we have this obscure camera from Sharp. This is Video8 or 8mm camera. Look at this sign. I found it in a thrift store. I paid $5.99 for it, and I decided to buy it because you don't see that many Video8 or 8mm cameras sitting around just like that, especially for $6. Obviously this is crapshoot because looks like this camera, first of all, it's like weird ass camera, right? It's yeah, this thing is swivels and things like that, not what you expect from like pretty old camera, but it also quite beat up. It's all here, you know, scratches and things like that. But the main thing, that's all I got. That there is no power supply, there is no battery, there is nothing. So I definitely have to figure out how to power this up. So this guy has an LCD, hence this text. It's hi-fi but mono, probably has only one microphone. That's it. But the bonus was when I opened this contraption or compartment. If you take a look here, you see it has the cassette in it. So apparently someone thrown away this camera with the cassette in it. So in addition to be very curious to power up this camera, I'm also very curious to see what's in that cassette. I know it actually brings up the whole ethical thing. You know, if there's something on the cassette, would you feel comfortable watching it? Yes or no? Please, you know, write me your opinion right down in this video, under this video, because I'm curious what you guys think. If it's empty cassette, I'm like, it's awesome. But if it contains someone or something, or someone's kids, or, you know, grandparents having fun on cottage, or who knows what, you know, what do you think actually? If that would be okay to watch that, or what should I do? Erase it, or you know, throw it away, destroy it? Yeah, that's very interesting subject. Yeah, because many people actually give video cassettes for free, like beta or whatever. Like I can see that plenty around on Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace, and I'm kind of thinking, do they actually bother deleting, erasing, you know, those cassettes or not? Okay, well, that's fine if it's like a copies of some Hollywood movies, it's no big deal, of course. But if it's like personal, some videos, yeah, that interesting aspect of obsolete media. On the other hand, someone can give up you cassettes for whatever reason, but you don't have any device to play them on, so that's another angle. Anyway, so let's try to power it up. So in order to power it up, I just noticed that it says here 3.6 volt. So technically this device can be powered by 3.6 volt, but because there is no outlet nowhere else except this battery compartment, I come up with this. I measured all dimension and came up with this kind of 3D printable substitute for the battery with just two wires poking around. So this all printed to fit inside, and these two are just regular aluminum foil, just like this, a piece of it that HVAC people using, and it's actually pretty nicely conductive. I think should be good enough. This thing cannot consume a lot of current, right? That should be enough. So just two wires poking holes and, you know, going outside. So let me... I still don't know if it's gonna work properly or not, but let me try to. It fits. I obviously tested that. Okay, I didn't miscalculate something, looks like. This should latch. So we're gonna use a little piece of something as a like that in order to. Oh, maybe it's gonna work. So that technically would power our camera. So let me have my bench power supply right here, set to 3.6 volt. I'm gonna hook it up just like this. Hope it's not gonna be too many losses in all those little dinky wires. Did it blink? So this has this button of a sword. Hold up. So if you look at the controls of this camera, we have like, I guess, infrared port, audio video output here, a whole bunch of buttons, play, you know, rewind and things like that. Pretty standard for VCR. What the heck? For VCR. Then we have this telephoto zoom control thingy, the record button, some kind of fade button, whatever it is, I don't know, and on off button. Very simplistic for the camera, because some other camera, like speaker right here, some other cameras have like way more settings. It has this dinky lens, which is kind of, you know, probably it looks like it is 3x4 sensor, hence the 3x4 kind of looking opening here. The lens is obviously round. That's it. Microphone at the front and LCD. So it has two modes, camera and VCR, but I don't know how to. It looks like I have to press on this and just oh, it's powered up, but it says battery is too low. Guess it's just shut down. Okay, I don't know if it's this is because of the bad contact right here. No, I don't know why. Oh, this is bad. Yeah, there's something wrong here. Looks like my contact is bad there, so I need to. Oh, it's just shut down. Yeah, looks like my contact is no good here. So let me just hold it like this. Oh, this switch is like junk. Okay, it's better. It looks like we are operating in a VCR mode right now, so let's just try to. Okay, looks like it got shut down. Alright, so we have to figure out how to actually properly power up this device. But yeah, it's actually consuming 1 amp, 1.1 amp at the moment. Have no idea what to do. Rewind. So this is this controls. Looks like it's making some noises. Rewinding. Stop. Does it play? Oh wow, there's some kind of person here. Okay, I don't want to show. This is crazy. Oh my god, I got camera with the cassette with some kind of person there. Someone shoot some kind of home video and they just left this. Oh my god, I don't even know what to do now. Guys, what do you think? How ethical is this to... Like, I think it's not, honestly. But I don't know what to do. How can I erase this thing? Oh my god. Can you imagine people actually give up the cassette they want to have it? Maybe it's something valuable for them and they just give it to thrift store, not even thinking about it. Wow. Yeah, I have to think about the whole concept of you can have and see some cassette or watch the content of the cassette someone actually gave to thrift store or Value Village, and they just didn't even think about like deleting or erasing anything. That's okay. This is how it looks like. I know why this player was actually ditched, because it's like ridiculously hard to operate. It's throbbing. I don't know what that really means. Oh, maybe lens is stuck. No, it's actually doing. Yeah, it is. What the heck is going on? Yes, it was. What happened here? It was just clicking like crazy. Is not enough current? Or something stuck? Probably something stuck, I assume. Let's try again. So VCR, at least VCR works. Okay, let's kick again the camera. Ugh, that's very stupid. Oh wow. Okay, so it complains about battery. Probably need you know, higher voltage or something. I'm gonna put it like 4 volts. Let's see what that's gonna work. Ah. No, looks like it can't kick in. It's almost 5 amp current limit, so no. Okay, whoa, it's like... It's actually doing something here. It complains about battery, but it's actually doing something. It's zooming in and out. I don't know why it was tripping like that. Rack start stop. How do you focus here? Focus? It's kind of in focus, I guess. What can I... What is this? I'm not really sure what the heck are those things. Yeah, I'm not gonna press record because I'm gonna probably override the content what's in there. So yeah, this is amazing, actually, must say. This thing actually working, being like super shitty camera, but at least it has color LCD here, and it is sort of working. Unbelievable. Ho ho ho! This is amazing. Oh, focus. Manual focus. How do you do manual focus? Okay. Yeah, you can do manual focus here. Okay, yeah. Wow. Okay, let's shut the camera down and again go to VCR. The very stupid kind of switch right here. So VCR, let's do forward. I'm just gonna clearly there is a content on this cassette. I'm not sure how much, and if this is just this video of this lady sitting in a room. Let me explore a bit this video and I'll tell you what else is going on here. Alright guys, so yeah, looks like it's probably 1/3 of the cassette with something, and then the rest of it is just blank. Alright, so yeah, we do have some data on the cassette, but let's see how to eject the cassette out of here. If you look, this front, it has microphone apparently in it because of this opening. Let's see how this works. Oh, here we are, this is how it works. Wow. Okay. So 8mm MP metal particle, Maxell GX metal 120. Yeah, this is actually, believe it or not, this is the first time I'm holding in my hand 8mm cassette. Well, I have a few of them in package. They were sold to me as a big, or given to me in some cases as a big box with some other cassettes, like audio cassettes. Yeah, so this is, you see, this is how much of a video is recorded. Rest of us, if it's just empty. So yeah, it's pretty much empty cassette. Then I have several digital D8 cassettes, which I got, again, found in thrift store for like close to nothing, for like $2, like 10 of them. So it's a good deal for me, but obviously I don't have any device to play them. And here, if you take a look inside, there is all this Video8 goodness in its glory. Nice and beautiful. That's a head right there, look at this. It looks amazing. Helical recording, obviously, and playback. Nice. So obviously the biggest part of this device is the tape mechanism. Even being this small, it still takes a lot of space. So how do you shove it back? I guess just like that. Wow, that was easy. So here we are. I'm not sure if we're gonna tear down this thing. It's sort of working, but I need to figure out how to pull the video signal out of this guy, and I may have a Video8 playback device. Being like pretty simple, but still, I'm gonna have Video8 playback device. And probably camera, but camera will be the shittiest camera here, because again, as I mentioned, I saw some reviews of this thing in internet, or people opinions that this is like very mediocre recorder. But judging by the picture of the lady here, it's actually looking pretty good. No static, no nothing. It's actually pretty good picture. Obviously, I don't know how it's gonna look on TV, but here we are. So yeah, definitely gonna keep it around. Obviously this has to be solved somehow. I have to come up with proper oopsies, it died on me. Did it? Yeah, battery is too low, that's it. I don't know what to say. Sorry bro, it's not too low. The only thing what I can think of why it says battery is too low, because the it's pretty dinky wires, and it's pushing through like 2 amps of a current, and somewhere it's gonna be great losses of the voltage drop. So maybe that's why it's like, yeah, you see what's happening is like going not so. So yeah, maybe maybe I have to re-engineer my contraption right here, make it a little bit more solid, because I don't believe, but this power supply can push a lot of up to 5 amps, so it's just more than enough for this device. So there is a problem, probably the problem of contact right in my contraption. Obviously it was a first shot of some sort of contraption here. You probably can come up with better solution, but at least, yeah, at least it does the job. So here where one contact goes, and here is another, or maybe it's another kind of issue. It's bad, looks like it's a bad contact, kind of. Okay, let's try again. No, it doesn't like something. This looks like it's quite gunked up here. Who come up with this? Oh my god. No, doesn't want to do this anymore. So yeah, but we did got like more or less operational device, right? So I need to figure out the better contacts right here, but it seems like the camera itself is operates, unless there is some kind of issue when it's kind of overheats and stop for a little bit of worms here actually. It's just stop operating because of whatever reason. Maybe this is the problem, I don't know. and also something rattles in there. So here we go. This is Sharp VL-E620U, made in Japan. Still operational, and it has even tape in it. Very nice.